Hi, I'm Sam Rodriguez, Senior Product Manager of Cabinets, Containment, and Industrial Solutions at Chatsworth Products. Today I'm joining you from the Research Development and Training Center here in Georgetown, Texas, to guide you through product installation. We begin by prepping the panel for installation. We're going to lift it up, actuate it in little plungers, lock it in position. Here's how the service window lifts up and down, and we are ready. We're going to measure the cabinet top from the edge of the frame based on the installation instructions and repeat on the opposite side. Then we're going to lift the panel into position. We are installing the middle panel first. The mounting hardware should be facing to the rear of the cabinet. You need to make sure that you are on the correct side of the baying kit. We're going to start tightening down the hardware, snug by hand, and then we are going to proceed to tighten it down with the drill. Four pieces of hardware that we need to torque down, just lightly torqued, then we can close the service window. We are done with the middle panel. On the back side, we're going to position the panel into the track, make sure that we are away from the baying kit. We're going to align it to the back of the frame. We are at the back door right now. We're going to snug the hardware, and then we're also going to align it to the frame, and then we're going to torque everything down again. Once that's complete, we are going to raise the panel by moving the plungers again, lift it up to the ceiling, turn it back to 90 degrees and lock it into position, and close the window. We have completed the rear panel. We're back at the front side now. We're going to lift the position up to the ceiling, operating the plungers, and we can close the window. So now the front and the rear have been installed. Now we are proceeding to the side panel. Get your hardware ready. Get your drill driver ready. You're going to lift the bottom panel. The panel should have been set based on the dimensions that we had marked previously. You're going to align the panel and you're going to push it into position. The gasket should be on the inside of the frame. And then we're going to loosely tighten the hardware into the extrusion. We are making sure that we attach 3 on each side. There's 2 at the bottom, front and back, and then there's 4 up at the top, and it's grabbing the 2 different extrusions, one for the lower panel and one for the upper panel. We're going to kind of do it loosely at first, and then we're going to proceed to tighten everything down. Once that's done, we're going to take a measurement from the underside of the ceiling edge of the above the cabinet panel. We are going to measure to the metal part of the bottom panel, and then that dimension minus 1 inch. Right, so if it was 13 that I measured, we're going to mark it 12, and we're going to use a set of cutters to cut a nice square cut, 1 inch less than what was measured. We're going to install the gasket up at the top, and it's biased towards the bottom. So you want to make sure that that gasket is touching the bottom side of that panel. Then the upper panel is going to go into position, and we're going to secure that one with the same hardware, loosely at first, and then we can torque it down with the drill driver. So at this point, that panel is overlapping the bottom one, and the gaskets are engaged, and we have completed the side of the vertical exhaust duct. Tighten everything down, and we have a completed panel. We have the completed solution. You've got a front panel aligned at the midpoint. You've got the rear panel and the end panel installed. I hope you found this installation video helpful. For product questions or more information, please contact a technical support specialist or visit our website at chatsworth.com. Thank you.